Akwugo is 27. Abia State. Home for Christmas for the first time in 3 years. Her grandmother's compound in Lobanta. The floor swept clean. 3 aunties somewhere near the kitchen. The smell of ofokwuru and goat meat has been in every corner of this house since morning. Her grandmother, Mamugo, 82, sets a plate down in front of her. A mound of pounded yam. A bowl of ofokwuru, okra soup, thick with goat meat. Enough for 2 people. Akwugo is full. She ate on the bus. Her stomach says stop. Her mouth says nothing. She picks up the spoon. Ndewo? No. I am Yvonne Mbanefo, heritage futurist and daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops, episode 31, week 7, day 1, Monday. Today, the polite refusal that keeps your dignity and theirs. Ka anyị bido. Let us begin. The Igbo have a saying for exactly what just happened to Akwugo. Ọkwẹ ngwa na-ekwe kaara ịjụ. Ebe ọjụ ngwa na-ajụ kaara ịkweta. Ọkwẹ ngwa na-ekwe kaara ịjụ. Ebe ọjụ ngwa na-ajụ kaara ịkweta. One who agrees without thinking accepts what they would have objected to, while one who refuses in a hurry rejects what they would have accepted. Rushing in either direction costs you. Today we'll learn the sentences that make refusal not a reaction, but a considered statement of self. The sentences that say, I know myself, I know what I need, and that is enough. Today you will learn to refuse food, drink, action with the quiet authority of someone who knows their own mind. 3 sentences, 1 architecture. Chọghị, I don't want. Akwugo eats, not because she is hungry, because she does not have the words to say otherwise. Because in this compound, in this kitchen, with these women nearby, silence feels safer than refusal. Her cousin Uchendu, 8 years old, sitting cross-legged beside the television, watches her with enormous eyes. Mamugo refills the bowl. Something breaks quietly inside Akwugo. She thinks of her flat in London, of the ease of saying no, thank you, to a colleague offering biscuits. 3 words. Nobody flinches. Nobody takes it personally. Nobody interprets it as a statement about the biscuit giver's worth. Here it is different. Here, food is not food. Food is love in visible form. The goat in this ofokwuru was chosen. The pounding took an hour. To refuse is what? To say the love arrived somewhere, you couldn't receive it? But Mamugo is 82. Her hands, folded in her lap, are the hands that kept this compound fed in 2 droughts. The hands that buried their husband and still got up and pounded yam the next morning because the children still needed to eat. She is not filling the bowl to control Akwugo. She is filling the bowl because filling bowls is how she says, "You are here, I see you, you are safe." Akwugo sets down her spoon. She takes one breath, looks at her grandmother directly. "Mba, achọghị m. Nne, daalụ. Achọghị m nri ọzọ." "No, I don't want, grandmother." "Thank you. I don't want more food." Mama Ugo looks at her. Really looks. Then she laughs. Soft, sudden, real. Ọ dị mma. Ọ dị mma. She does not refill the bowl. She pats Akwugo's hand. The love does not diminish. It changes shape. Uchendu is still watching. She files it away. This small 8-year-old, the way children file away the things that might protect them later. I have watched this scene in every Igbo home I've ever been in. The person who could not say no because they had no words for it, and the love that went unread because the refusal never came. What Akwugo discovered in that compound, I found documented with extraordinary precision by an Igbo scholar writing 60 years ago. Victor C. Uchendu, writing in the journal Man in 1964, published by the Royal Anthropological Institute of Great Britain and Ireland, studied what he called Kola hospitality and its relationship to Igbo lineage structure. He documented something the rest of the world was still working out, that Igbo hospitality is not about the food or the gift. It is about the interaction rate, the living social bond between people. What the host presents, what the guest receives, what passes between them. All of it is the idiom through which relationship is expressed and reinforced. The object is the carrier. The relationship is the point. That is why Mamugo's laugh was not disappointment. The bowl was never the message. Akwugo had named herself clearly and with warmth. The interaction rate held. The relationship was confirmed. More honestly, perhaps, than if she had eaten in silence. What Uchendu documented for the kola nut holds equally here. What matters is not the acceptance of what is offered, but the quality of the attention between the people offering and receiving. The more we understand this, mana kitanga, the ethic of hospitality, centers the dignity of the guest, not the consumption of the gift. The protocol is not the food. The protocol is the relationship the food makes visible. Now, let us build your drops for today. Repeat after me. 1. Achọghị m nri. I don't want food. Achọghị m nri. Achọghị m nri. 2. Achọghị m mmiri. I don't want water. Achọghị m mmiri. Achọghị m mmiri. 3. Mba, achọghị m, daalụ. No, I don't want. Thank you. Mba, achọghị m, daalụ. Mba, achọghị m, daalụ. Take this with you. Ọkwẹ ngwa na-ekwe kaara ịjụ. The proverb was never only about food. It was about the cost of not pausing, the things you swallow in silence that you would have set down gently if only you had the words. Before this day ends, say mba, chọghị, daalụ, not to practice, to notice what happens when you name your need with care rather than burying it. The refusal, said well, is its own act of respect for yourself and for the person who offered. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds oke osimiri mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. Grab your free speaking workbook at learnigbonow.com. This has been your Igbo Daily Drop. Abụ m nwanne gị nwanyị Yvonne Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Mbanefo. Ka ọnụ gị nwere ike kwuo ihe o kwesịrị ikwu. May your voice say what it is supposed to say. Ka anyị hụ echi. Until we meet again tomorrow.